In this video, we're going to talk about how to import data from another file. Once you've seen it done here, it will be a cinch. So that you have two files to start with. One is the source file, the one that contains the stuff you want to get into another file. And the second one is the destination file, the file into which you want to place the data from that source file. You do open the destination file, but you do not open the source file unless you want to check it. Then in Excel, you'll go to the Data tab, Get and Transform Data Group, Get Data button there, and choose source, the source text from a file, a text file. Now, if you use this, it works, except it's going to be a new worksheet. If you want to put it in your existing worksheet, you have to do it like this. And then you just follow the steps of the wizard, and you'll be all set. We'll go do that now. This is actually my source data file. You can see up here that it is, in this case, a text file. It could be another type of file as well, but no formatting, just plain old text. And notice that each row is one record, just like we'll have in Excel. And there are tab keys between each pieces of information, each piece. The tab is a delimiter. Sometimes the comma is used as a delimiter that separates one piece of data from the next. Here we are then in this file that has the headings made, and we're ready to import data. I'm going to go up to the Data tab and over to the left on Get Data. One thing that from Monday in class until Wednesday when I tried to make this videotape, they changed it. So you have to look and see the instructions for getting the legacy wizards. Remember that legacy means those are the old ones that we want to keep. So the old wizard method is the way you want to do this, and we'll take it from text. Those instructions then are just a little addition to what is in your book. And I downloaded this file previously. This is the text file. We'll double click on it. And you notice that you have a choice between delimited characters. Delimiters are some characters in between pieces, and in our case we have tabs. Or fixed width. Sometimes they do that. So every piece of data has 20 character spaces, and that's what you get. You also have to determine whether your data has headers. We looked at that file and ours does not, so we won't click that box, but you could get tripped up with that one if you're not careful. We'll click Next in this old-fashioned legacy wizard, and notice that the computer did determine the tab was the delimiter, and it showed us what it would look like. This is looking good. We'll click Next, and then it says, I think this is like a general column layout. Is that right? And they didn't tell us to change it, so we won't. We'll just leave it. We can't click Next. We'll click Finish. And it said, now, did you want to stick it right here in this worksheet? I kind of think so, since I had clicked there before I started. I'll click OK. And boom! There comes all the data, and we're all set and ready to go. So presuming that you figure out how you want to get your data, and you can get data from so many other programs, you can get it from a web page, you can do all kinds of manipulations with it, you can make it act like a database. There are many options, but for this class and for our test, we only care that you're able to do a basic simple import like that. Not copy and paste, import.